Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday, it is our free day. We have a 2-layer cake. The first layer is our 5 routines. The second is today's weekly item, which is free day. So that's it. The only thing for payroll Fly Babies you may have to do is a weekly home blessing weekly home blessing hour item, 1 10-minute item if you choose not to delegate that. Other than that, you don't have to do a zone today. If today isn't your free day, then don't forget today is zone 4, the master bedroom, master bathroom, and master closet. But if you are celebrating your free day today, there is no zone for you. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to get up in the morning and do our morning routine before the family. Afterwards, we're going to take care of our family and put them through their morning routine. If you're a payroll Fly Baby, you're going off to work. If you're an at-home Fly Baby, you're getting into the next step, which is finishing your routines for the morning and enjoying your free day. So the next steps are for you putting a load of laundry in and doing an inch of paper if you still have paper to declutter. After that, do something for yourself. Polish your nails, do your toes, give yourself a facial, whatever. Give yourself a hair treatment. You can even put, when I was in college, we put mayonnaise on our hair and sat with it for an hour with a warm towel and then washed it out, washed and washed and washed. But we did, and it did make it feel better. I don't know if that's really good for your hair, but you can Google some things to do for yourself today. All right, then if you are at work, you're going to do your zone, you're going to do your free time when you come home. But think about that basic weekly home blessing hour and who you're delegating what to today, and do oversee that. So when you come home, you're going to inspect what you expect. You're going to start your laundry. You're going to go through an inch of paper. You're going to get your dinner going, and then same for at home, you're going to get your dinner going. But when the dinner is holding, and I've said this many times, just like if you're on the phone for 30 minutes, you're going to take that 30 minutes to do just a little bit of your housework instead. So let the dinner hold and go do your weekly home blessing hour if you've chosen not to delegate it. If this is your free day, then you have time to take care of yourself. So you have 20 minutes or so to do something nice for yourself. You may not be able to polish your nails right now because you're in the middle of dinner, but you can think about doing that later. Maybe you can put a facial on. There's some things you can do, or plan it, okay? Then have dinner. After dinner, we're all coming together with our after dinner routine. The whole family is helping with that. And then our before bed routines. With the children done, then you're going to take care of yourself. Unless you're exhausted, then you're going to do your before bed routine first. So let's review the before bed routine. This is our focus for the summer. Look at your planner. You're not using your planner? Vow to do that. You don't have a planner? At least get a calendar. You can buy a calendar. It's June, so you can get one for a good price if you can still find one, or you can get one through Erin Condren. The link is below, and you can start. I think they have one that starts in July, so just check it out. It may be June, but get a planner and check your planner and see what's in there. So you're going to be looking for tomorrow. What's for dinner? What day of the week is it? It's Wednesday. You know that Wednesday is your planning and desk day, so you know in the morning if you're working that you're going to grab the things that are in your inbox to handle on your lunch hour tomorrow. You're going to pay your bills tomorrow, those kinds of things. So look and see what's going on tomorrow. Do you have any appointments? Are you at home Fly Baby? Is there something that you've lined up that needs to happen tomorrow? Have you planned to meet a friend to take the kids somewhere tomorrow? So you need to know those things are happening so that you can get your things done in the morning without delay. All right, and how are you going to dress for the day? So lay out your clothes. What else is happening? Do you need to take something out of the freezer? That's why you look at it. And then look at the long view to see what's coming up in the next 7 days, just so you aren't caught off guard, okay? Then go take your bath or shower. I recommend at night, but if that's not for you, take yours in the daytime. You are, after all, the CEO of your life. All right, take off your makeup or just wash your face, take your moisturizer off, re-moisturize your skin, brush your teeth, floss your teeth, take care of your hair, wash it, or at least brush the day out of it, put your jewelry away, get your pajamas on, put your clothes away, and pick out something to read or something to settle yourself. Know that you have to be in bed by a certain time in order to get your 7 to 8 hours sleep, because you're getting up a half hour before the family, because that's your job, and you are a Old Testament woman. I can't think of what I'm trying to say, but you know what I'm saying. It says she rises early, right? And so you're going to rise early and take care of things so that you will have a start on the day that makes you feel so wonderful, and that you'll be dressed for the day, and you have your family dressed for the day. But that can't start if you don't do your before bed routine. All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful,